Hi there. Welcome to OnceHub video tutorial. This is Adnan from the OnceHub support team, and today we are going to learn how to connect a secondary calendar. This feature helps pull a busy time from personal calendar, so events like doctor appointment or family plans are considered when managing bookings. To connect a secondary calendar, click on the profile picture icon in the top right corner, select user integrations. Under the available integrations, select the secondary calendar that you would like to connect. Click on connect a secondary calendar button and follow the on-screen prompt. Once the secondary calendar is connected, you can define from which sub-calendar you want to retrieve the busy time just by clicking on the edit button and check the box for the sub-calendar and click on save. Please note that secondary calendar are used only to retrieve busy time. Once bookings can't be created in them. Thank you for watching.